I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting your GoDaddy domain to InfinityFree. Now let's get started. To begin, when setting up your new site, InfinityFree will ask you for a custom domain. This is where you'll paste in the domain you've purchased from GoDaddy. Let's head over to GoDaddy and get that set up. Log into your account and go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the top right. From there, navigate to My Products. Here you'll find a list of all the domains you own. If you don't see it immediately, you can click on Domains under My Account to view all your domains. Click on the domain you want to use, and first go ahead and copy the domain name. Now we need to update the name servers for your domain to point to InfinityFree. Start by copying the first InfinityFree name server, which will look something like ns1.infinityfree.com. Then go back to GoDaddy, and in your domain settings click on DNS. Scroll down until you see Name Servers and click on Change. You'll need to replace the default name servers with InfinityFree ones. Paste the first name server you copied earlier into the first field, then go back to InfinityFree, copy the second name server, and paste it into the second field. Once you've done it, click Save. After updating the name servers, head back to InfinityFree and check the availability of your domain. If the domain is already in use on InfinityFree, you'll need to choose a different domain or try again with a different one. At this point, your domain is linked to InfinityFree, but it can take anywhere from 20 minutes to 48 hours for the domain to fully propagate and become active. In the meantime, you can explore your control panel and start setting up your website. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.